We'll be back tomorrow. What are we doing now, John?
We're going fishing.
You bet. Let's do it. After a quick trek, here we are on the shores of Whitefish Lake, just outside of Thunder Bay, Ontario. By the way, everyone, this is my friend, training partner, hunting and fishing buddy, John Gant.
How you doing, everybody?
The snow isn't too deep, so it's not impeding our progress. A little more ice than the last time we were here.
Quite a bit more. It's a little thicker than we thought. Let's go for a minute.
Not really. You got it, man. It's almost there.
I know it's almost there.
You just need some encouragement. Come on, John. You got it. Come on.
Hard to get any leverage on this.
Yeah. You want me to push down on it while you turn it?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, I'll do the next one.
Sure.
Good stuff. Okay, that's enough. I'm going home.
I see what you mean.
Nice catch, John.
Well, thanks.
It wasn't a Waldo.
No, it was not, but for a last minute trip, I'll take it.
For those of you that may not be aware, I love northern pike, and we'll be eating that one on our next fishing trip. What do you think about that, John?
That sounds good to me, Alex.
I knew he was going to say that. Well, the holes are starting to ice over.
Yeah, I think my fingertips are too.
Sun's going down. I guess John and I are going to pack up. The focus for today was getting the strapping on the cabin, which John and I managed to do. We did get a chance to come out to the lake and play for a while. I enjoyed this, and I think we should do more of it, John.
I think so too. I think I could see a few more of these trips in our future.
Oh, good idea. Well, let's pack this up and take off for the day, I guess. Did you have bait on this one?
I just had a minnow head on the end.
Not anymore, you don't?
Well, like I said, I was getting perch bit there earlier.
Oh, yeah.
So he
I saw it.
He cleaned it off.
He cleaned it.
Well, at least we're getting some action.
Hang on, stop for a second. That sleigh is kind of loud. John and I are trekking out of here to the sound of the wolves howling, communicating our position to each other. That was a really fun day. Normally we catch more fish, but I still enjoyed that. Hang on a sec. So what made for a nice walk on the way out here is extremely slippery now. Can you show him a jig? Dude, nice moves.
Should have brought my skates.
Should have. Now that the strapping is done, I'm starting to put the tin on. Tin roof is starting to take shape. Well, I was able to get the tin on the roof today.